sila, soka. Soka mo ta. Ha? Natin di ba yaw? Nagagat, ayaga. Wala. Oh, okay. I remember your grandma when I was. The first thing that I remember is usually in the Philippines we get typhoon. Typhoon. And the wind blows very hard here. And I am maybe around 2 years old. I am holding I am holding grandma in her legs. Scared, And I say, man, it's typhoon. And also you see all the leaves of the tree. But grandma is a very strong lady. So just went out and checked everything that need to safe, put it in safe before the typhoon comes. And very strong lady. She's a very strong, hardworking. Every day, wake up early and go to after the river. We have a lots of trees. We have lots of kamachili trees. We have big trees. The area that there before is like a very thick forest. And we have a big space of land there. We own a big space of land.
You own?
Yeah, we own our family. And that's the place we get firewood. We get all the things that we have to eat, like the ampalaya leaves, and also we mushroom during the time it's rainy day, like July, August. That's the time where we're picking up the ampalaya leaves and ampalaya, wild ampalaya, and also the mushroom. My grandma is the best to look around and where the mushroom is.
No, they don't know.
You know,
I know.
and every time she come home, we got already a fish, ampalaya, and mushroom. August, because in the mushroom, it's like in Alaska, the mushroom come out, and she knows where the place because the great grandmother, they tell her also where to buy, and then she tell us also, yeah, and she's the only lady that every time all us kids go there, she's the only one that she got all the most. And then my mom, she and after that she go she hard work and also bio. We pounding the rice. And my mom, she's a very good. She can pound mostly rice than some of the guys.
Faster.
Yeah, faster because she teach me how to do the pounding the rice with changing hand because some people they just pounding with the right hand, but for her just changing. Yeah. And I miss all the teaching of your grandma, my mom. And every time it's holiday, we always have a good food. That's a priority in her life. Even though how hard we are, if it's holiday, during the rebirth of Christ in our, and we have a good food there and we got celebrate. And she is a very religious woman because around here in our area,